and welcome back to Maybelline's Makeup Loft. My name is Jazz, and in today's video I will be playing around with the new Burgundy Bar palette by Maybelline. Oh my gosh, you guys, it is amazing. The pigment on these is insane. The shimmery colors from this palette give off a more metallic vibe, which I love. I love pigmented, intense eyeshadow. So if you'd like to see how I created this look, then just keep on watching. So as mentioned before, I will be using the new Burgundy Bar palette, which looks amazing. I really want to use the burgundy color, which is like sort of like a pinky coppery color, as well as the silvers, oh my god, and the gold. Oh my god, I don't know what I'm going to use. Actually, don't even know which colors I want to use because they all look absolutely stunning. But I'm going to do a few swatches to start off with so you guys can see how amazing the pigment is. Oh my god. How good. I'll just swatch them all on the back of my hand. Oh my god, amazing. I really want to do like a silver burgundy type eye because I usually tend to go for more golds like when I do my eye makeup, so I want to do something a little bit different today. I'm just going to use my finger to apply that on my lid because I find that sometimes the most pigment comes from the finger rather than using a brush. So I'm literally just putting that all over my lid. And just depositing most of the product. Okay, now I'm just going to grab a brush and just using that to blend into the crease so it looks seamless. I'm going to grab this matte grey color from the palette, just looks like this, and just use that to sweep into my crease, just to act as a little transition color. Okay, I'm going to grab my finger again and take some more of the burgundy and just pop it all over my eyelid again. This color is so stunning, I can't get over it. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take that same burgundy color on a brush and just use that to press into my lower lash line. Then to darken up the outer corners, I'm going to take this brown shade. Pretty sure it's a matte color, yep. Just on a small blending brush and just using that, oh, this is really pigmented, on the outer corners. Just to make it a little bit more dramatic. And then again on the other side. I'm going to bring that down to my lower lash line as well and just blending it out. I'm just going to go back in with the original blending brush and just blend that all together. Then I'm going to grab this gorgeous champagne color. I've wet the brush just to intensify the pigment, and I'm literally just going to place that in the middle of my eyelids. So it should give a sort of halo effect. Like that. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty, this color. Then I'm going to take that and place it in my inner corner as well. Oh my god, stunning. Then I'm going to take some of that and put it on my brow bone too. Oh my god. I'm obsessed with this eye makeup look, guys. I'm going to take the dark matte brown shadow again and just use that to define my lower lash line, and I'll also pop it on the top lash line too. Just to give it a little bit more definition. So I recently just received some new Gigi Maybelline items. So I've got the mascara here and I thought I would try it out today. So it is the Lash Sensational Mascara. Oh my god, that difference though. I feel like I don't even need falsies. Nah, I'm not even going to wear falsies because I feel like I really don't need them. Oh my god, this mascara is actually amazing. I'm so obsessed with it. So I do also have one of her lipsticks as well. It is in the shade, hold on, Erin. And it's just a really dark nude. So I'm going to put that to the test today and see how I like it. I'm just going to go quickly get a lip liner, so I'll be right back. Okay, so I just lined my lips off camera and now I'm going to pop on Erin. Oh my god. I love dark nude colors. Like, I always tend to use them. Oh my god, this is amazing. I love how bold it is. I love this color and I feel like it really complements the eye makeup look as well. Oh my gosh, I'm obsessed. So that is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. If you want to see more videos from me, make sure you hit that subscribe button and like this video. And I'll see you in